What's up, guys? You watch another video. If you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, well, you know now. The car is red, bro. We're literally matching Chris's F80. Almost the same color, same wheels. That car is freaking annoying, bro. I set off this car alarm every day. And my car's not even loud yet. Once I put the exhaust, they're gonna be even more mad. But anyways, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button right now. Smash the like button right now too. And let's get into today's video. Today is very, very special. We're about to install something on the inside of the car. That's the only hint I'm gonna give you. It's probably the title and thumbnail, but but we are in a time crunch trying to get the car done before Beamer Invasion. We have a lot of stuff to do still, bro. And the Beamer Invasion is in 2 days. 2 days for me, but for you guys, tomorrow is actually Beamer Invasion. So you guys better be there tomorrow. Irwindale Speedway at 12 p.m. I think it starts.
Quitting my job to go there.
Everyone's gonna be there, I'm telling you. Hugo, David, Chris. Nikon's bringing his car. Nikon got new wheels. Everyone is gonna be there, so you guys don't want to miss out. It's gonna be sick.
You know, I'm smashing in the morning, driving like 120,
bro.
Wearing this, and everyone's just honking at me, going crazy.
Then we're gonna have our own booth for the first time ever. I've never had a booth before, so I'm excited. I'm also nervous, but we're gonna be selling merch in person, so don't sleep on it, guys. It's gonna be dope. All the new merch is gonna drop at Beamer Invasion early. You don't have to pay for shipping, wait for shipping, none of that. Look, my old car, bro.
Pull up next to him.
My old car, my new car.
Pull up next to homeboy.
Chris, you're scaring him, bro. Because I think you're trying to rob it. This is my old color, bro. Sick. Guys, I gotta film 2 vlogs today. We're going to Studio RSR right now. I'm giving more hints. We're gonna install something on the car, make a whole vlog there. Then I'm gonna end that video and start a whole nother vlog at Beamer Plug. That's where we're gonna install the carbon on the car. So 2 vlogs in 1 day. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work, but I wanna separate it. I could make 1 long vlog, but I wanna make multiple videos, bro. I don't wanna go through this build so fast for the YouTube channel. I made it to Studio RSR. You guys might know what we're doing today. I'll show you guys right now as soon as we see it. I think I see it right there though, but I can't wait. This is probably the biggest mod that I'm most excited for. I've always wanted to do this to one of my cars since way back then.
It's gonna look good.
Yeah, it's gonna look crazy.
Now I think about it, the brake caliper should be like.
I know, that's what I'm thinking too. If you haven't watched last video, go watch it. We did the whole reveal on this car, but yeah, we did it red, guys. This is Militone's Guards red. To me, it kind of looks like a Ferrari type of red. I don't know, super bright. Look at Ferrari individual F80s, guys. It literally looks like this. It's funny, right now we're driving and some M4 was on the freeway. He was telling us to roll down the window and he's like, oh shit, it's Nick. Like, he did not know who I was. He was gonna just ask me a question if it's tuned or not. No one has even seen the color. Today I'm posting the video, so no one even knows this color. Look at all the F80s here. Yaz Marina. I think it's my boy Stewart's car. You guys might remember this car. If you guys are OGs to the vlogs, I raced him in my GTR years ago, bro. Like when I first got it. And we low-key were like tied. It has upgraded turbos, everything. 412 built it. Let's go look at it real quick. Look, it has a full roll cage in here. All the way to the front, bro. That's crazy. Damn, and it's manual. I forgot that it's manual. Yeah, that's badass. This F80 is clean.
Neck and neck and use a manual?
Neck to neck, bro. This thing is actually fast, bro. It would literally keep up with my GTR. We would have like this little rivalry. It'd always be going back and forth. He wins one, I win one. He wins one, I win one. Damn, look at this thing, guys. Oh my God, that thing is wide, bro. That wing is huge, too. Damn. Those wheels. Everything's big, bro. Big old fenders, big old wheels, big old wing. Oh, that shit is wide. Sheesh. I like that it kind of fits the OEM like body style too. It does look like Need for Speed.
Like, I don't even know.
Racecar. That's hard. And the E46. The best color ever, I think. The goodness like a blue, dude. I've always wanted to wrap my car this color. A lot of people actually thought I was gonna do it that color. I would have too, if they had that option. G82 with the Agile bumper on it. I want to do it. I think it'll be sick. Damn, that thing has a cage too. Cage. What could we possibly be doing today, bro? I didn't even realize. Look at the brakes. Yo, no way. Even the brakes are like chromed out. And it's actually my homie's car. This shit's hard. This is actually the red I wanted to do. My boy needs a wash bad. But look, also a roll cage and also a roll cage. Everyone has roll cages today. I got a new M2 and it's manual. That's fire. This shit is crazy. What is this, bro? 2 Series 2? M2? The big ass wing on it. This is a full-on track car for sure. Fully gutted. Reminds me of my E46. Fenders all carbon. Crazy front lip. Yeah, this is for sure a track car, bro. I would love to hit the track in the CS. Now that we have like a track dedicated car, we gotta take the CS to the track. The Supra's nice with the big tire on it. Huge tire, bro. All right, pulling that F80 in. You guys ready to see what we're doing today? Bro, I cannot wait. I've literally been waiting for this, bro, for years. This is gonna be fire. And this is the perfect car to install it in. Are you guys ready to see? 3, 2, 1. Check this out, bro. Putting a full roll cage in the F80. I originally wanted to do this in the G80, but I feel like it just fits the F80 way better, bro. This feels like it's a track monster. The way these cars drive, it's just a driver's car, bro. With the roll cage, it's gonna be insane. Not only for looks, but even for handling. And obviously, safety too. Safety's last, huh? We went with white, because I think it's gonna suit the red a lot. Like Chris was saying earlier, we should probably do white brake calipers to match. And I also got like a white brace bar in the front grille. So this is the vision I have. Hopefully it comes together. But I think the red's gonna look really good. But guys, I've been wanting one of these cages for the past like 4 freaking years. I don't even know. We were gonna install one on the E92, but we never did. Then we were gonna install one on the GTR, but we never did. Then I got the F80, then I crashed it. Then I got the G80, we were about to do that, but then I got the CS, and I think this just fits better in the CS. And yeah, we're finally gonna put a roll cage, guys. I have been talking about this in every single vlog, bro. It's gonna look insane, dude. And it's a crazy cage. In my E92, we had a cage back then, my first car, but it was just like 1 bar right here, and then 1 bar right here. That was it. This is like crazy, bro. Look at that. That's the front, this is the back. So through the back window, you can see this. Even though I have really dark tint, we may or may not be taking off the tint just to show off the cage, but take off the tint? Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it. I mean, I'm gonna ride with the windows down all the time, watch, just to show it off. You'll see it from the front, but still, I think through the back, the big X in the back, it looked crazy. But yeah, you guys always see when I'm at car shows or car events, I see cars with roll cages, and I always say, you guys can go back to my vlogs and see, I'm always like, I want a roll cage. I need to do this roll cage in my car. Finally, bro, that time has come. We are not cutting any corners on the F80, bro. This thing is gonna be sick. We've only had the car for like 2 weeks. Look at this. Again, bro, what's with me in getting new cars and in 2 weeks it looks completely different. I think white cage, maybe do the brake calipers white too to match. I don't know if I've showed you guys this, but if you guys remember my last F80, I had like this brace bar. I'll put a picture right here. It was like a candy red brace bar for my guys over at Lord Class. Well, check this out. We got a white one for this car, so I thought white would match the roll cage. That's why I went with white, and I think it's gonna look clean together. And then, you know what also would look crazy? If we ever take this wrap off. Later down the line when I take off the wrap and I have white cage, white CS, white brake calipers, white brace bar.
It's gonna look sick.
It's gonna look pretty cool like that too. White TEs? I swear I'll do that. That whole white out CS. I can't believe this. You know what I'm laughing at? Imagine Josephine driving this car now. With the roll cage in the back. What people are gonna say. They're like, she's driving a CS. Not only a CS, but a CS with the roll cage in it. It's just gonna be a full-on race car now, bro. Imagine Josephine driving it with the little... her in the driver's seat with the cage.
Bumping what? Bumping what?
Real? I'm just kidding. She first drove it. She went to Taco Bell and the guy was like, is this a CS? He's tripping out. The girl driving it.
Yeah, when I gave my girl the car to drive, everyone would always like stop her and
trip
everything.
out, huh?
Yeah, I'm like, what the f?
I guess he's unbolting the seats and scooting them back or forward a little bit, just so we have some more room to put the whole cage in here. Chris just said right now, we officially have a 2-seater. We have an M4 now, G.
I should do this so I don't have to put anyone in my backseat.
No, now I don't have to give anyone rides. I hate people in the back seats, but I know a lot of people are gonna talk crap. Like, why would you put a roll cage in a 4-door? But guys, it looks sick. Here we go. It's gonna be crazy. Oh, that's a tight squeeze. Damn. Yeah, I think we might have to take off the window tint, huh? So everyone could see it. I literally turned around for 2 seconds and now the back one's already in too. Bro, that quick? There's no way. I think now we just gotta drill the holes into the car. No one can sit back here no more. I mean, maybe in the middle. Look, someone could low-key sit in the middle, bro. Freaking Chris. Bro.
Kevin could've came.
There's no way. I know Kevin wanted to come, guys, but like I said, we have like a 2-seater now. It's kind of pointless. Hell no, bro. You're gonna die if we crash. Dude, get out. Maybe in the middle seat, honestly, but
I don't know what the heck.
No?
You're gonna die if you
Eventually, guys, I want to do a seat delete. They make some really cool full Alcantara seat deletes. I'll see if I can throw a photo in right here, but what do you guys think? Should we put a seat delete in here? Because, I mean, it is kind of pointless. There's no point of the back seats anymore. Maybe a whole seat delete in here, or just keep them like this. I don't know. This window tint's way too dark, and usually I like really dark window tint. All my cars are like super tinted, bro. My GTR, you can't even see anything outside the windshield, bro. I'm so blind too, it's not good, but I usually like really dark window tint, but on this car, I might lighten it up a little bit just to show off that roll cage. Guys, check this out. It's all done, all complete, bro. Those yellow DRLs need to go, bro. We're gonna swap those out today, but look at this. It looks insane. Put a little light in there so you can see. I gotta actually install some lights or something else so you can see the freaking cage all the time, but damn, it looks good, bro. You see, with the windows down, you can see right through it. The car's just way too stock for my liking though. I can't wait to put some wheels on it, lower it more than this, put all the carbon on it. It's gonna look good, bro. Slowly but surely, bro, we getting there. I know a lot of people are gonna have mixed reviews, like I said, with doing it in a freaking sedan, but I think it looks dope. But not only for the looks, but for the handling wise, this actually helps your car handle better. Just keeps the whole car together more, you know? Also safety, guys. If this thing were to ever roll over or get T-boned or something like that, that cage will actually save our life at the end of the day, so it is sick. Yeah, you'll be chilling, bro, literally.
You could go flip it right now, we'll be chilling.
No. I don't want to flip it, bro. I don't want to test it out, but it will work. I want to give a huge shout out to Studio RSR, guys. If you guys need a roll cage, definitely hit them up. They are the guys to go to for roll cages. Every roll cage you guys see out on the streets is most likely from Studio RSR. They do roll cages for all the BMWs, for Supras, GTRs, E46s, bro, anything. I need 350Zs. They did Kicks' roll cage and a Z. If you guys want a roll cage, definitely hit them up, Studio RSR. We've been talking about this for years, trying to put a roll cage in one of my cars, and we finally did it on the F80. I think the best car that we could have chose to put the roll cage in. They build them in-house, they install them in-house, and they can even powder coat it any color you want, bro. Any color you guys want, they can do it. I was gonna do red, but I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this color. I think the white flows right now with this, and the white will flow with the white paint. And if we ever want to do a different color, I think the white cage will flow with that too. So, all right, bro. Tell us about the cage.
What's up, guys? So we just put our Cartesian F80 M3 roll bar into Nick's CS here. We make these in-house, 100% made in the USA, handmade, fully bolt-in. And the cool part that we really want to show you guys is the quick release option. Long story short, you could take this cage out and put it back in. I think the record right now is like 8 minutes and 35 seconds.
Holy crap, bro.
So, but yeah, let me show you how that works. So it's a lot faster on a 4-door. On a 2-door, you got to take the seats out. So, you know, that adds time. But on a 4-door, you know, we have this, our little proprietary tubing clamps. This bottom part stays on the car.
That's cool.
And then you can take the whole main hoop out, and then the rear section comes out with this bolt. Quick disconnect, you know.
You pull on 8 minutes. That's kind of crazy, bro.
And put it back in, yeah.
Oh my God. That's sick. It is reversible too, guys. So it's not like a forever thing. I can always reverse it.
Exactly.
Which is cool. What other benefits, bro, of a cage?
So in general, like even with a bolt-in cage, because a lot of people are like, oh, if it's weld-in, it's better.
Yeah.
But when you have a weld-in, you know, you're giving up so much stuff. You got a permanent piece of cage in the car. The bolt-in, you get the same benefits, increased chassis rigidity. Yeah. Like I'm sure you noticed with we kind of have a gnarly driveway here. You're probably gonna notice you're gonna lift the wheel now.
Oh shoot.
So that's one of the things that everyone tells us about. That
it keeps like the car together.
Correct.
That's crazy. Yeah. Obviously safety too.
Yeah, safety. We've had like 4 cars roll over.
Holy crap.
You guys probably know Spencer Burke. His car, when he sold it, his E90 rolled over. Like
I remember that, bro. I actually remember that.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So yeah, it will literally save your life too, bro.
Yeah.
And I do plan on tracking this car. It'll be cool.
Hey, he said it, dude.
I want to do it, bro. I've never been on a track in my life, but I want to do it with this car. It's like the perfect car to do it in. And now we got the cage to keep us safe. It'll be cool.
Yep. Got some other things in the works.
Yep. Soon. Yeah, next week we'll probably be back here doing some more things to the car. Yeah. But I'm so excited for this. Yeah, not only safety, but it also looks badass, bro. I'm glad you did. It looks sick, bro. I know, I'm finally glad I did it too, because I've been talking about putting a cage in all my cars for years.
For years, dude.
Literally, and we finally did it, bro, so I'm excited, dude. I love it. I honestly love it. It looks sick, dude.
It looks great with the color, too.
Yeah, it looks good with the red.
Thanks for coming in, man.
I know, thank you, bro. Yeah, shout out to them, guys. I know. Like I said earlier, if you guys want a cage, bro, this is the place to go to. But not only roll cages, because we do all those in-house and stuff like that, but everything, right? Oil change, maintenances, everything, bro. Crane cubs. Everything, bro. They can do everything.
Except for Bondo.
Are you guys ready to see it? How the vlog's about to look now? Whoa! Shit looks crazy. Damn, that thing looks crazy. What the heck? I didn't see that one.
That's probably his.
That is nice. I think that is his, actually. But bro, the cage looks crazy. It literally looks like we're driving a race car now. I swear, it looks insane, bro. Look at that. Que lo que?
Que lo que, papi?
But this is so hard. One thing that sucks, I mean, we kind of like, I made the F80 not practical anymore, guys. The seats probably can't fold down no more.
My tall ass gotta sit in
yeah, the seat doesn't go as back far enough anymore because you can hit the back. And yeah, we kind of just ruined the F80. Some might say, but I like it, bro. I think it's sick. I can't wait to show everybody the freaking roll cage. Bro, I'm excited to see if like you can actually feel a difference, bro. I feel like you could. But yeah, this is how the vlog is about to look now. And this is how Joseph is about to look driving this.
My car is a clapped out version of your car.
Well, I know we're not gonna look like twins soon, watch.
Yours just changing day by day.
Alright guys, now we are on the way to Beamer Plug. I'm probably gonna continue the vlog or make another vlog actually. Huge shout out to Studio RSR again. They did it so quick too, bro. We installed the cage within like an hour or two.
They put it in like...
Yeah, it was in the car in like 10 minutes, bro. But then they had to drill it, make sure the fitment was right. They also had to remove the seat a little bit, push it forward. But everything is back to how it was. It does have like, as you guys can see, the bolsters are out on the sides. Those are gonna look a little boof right now because you can see all the wires, but that is just for now. Maybe eventually, I think we might do a seat delete on the back. You guys let me know if that would be cool. Maybe like full Alcantara seat delete. Kind of how Kevin's GTS is. Might do that eventually. Or one of my homies, Bavia, he has a CS as well with the white roll cage in it. He actually like bought bolsters from like a 3 Series, I think. So, and then cut them so he doesn't have to cut the OEM factory ones. I don't want to cut anything. Nothing's cut on the car, guys. That's what's good. I don't want to mess up the seats or nothing like that. So instead of like cutting the bolsters for the stock seats, maybe I'll buy some like 3 Series ones and cut into those. And then it'll make it look clean and OEM. But for now, it doesn't look bad. I think it looks crazy. It looks literally like a freaking race car, bro. If you guys like it, smash the like button. Comment down below what do you think about the car so far. And we got a lot of stuff still planned before Beamer Invasion. Go to Beamer Plug. Let's get all the carbon installed. The car's gonna look completely different, but you're gonna have to wait for the next video. And don't forget, tomorrow is Beamer Invasion, guys. The day you guys are watching is tomorrow, 12 p.m. We're gonna be there, Irwindale Speedway. We're gonna be there all day, bro. I think it's from 12 to 7. And I think it's gonna be like 106 degrees. But go cop the merch there, cop it in person. It will sell out. Whatever I have left, I'll throw on the website on Sunday. Sunday will be like the online drop. Come to Beamer Invasion if you wanna get it early. Free shipping, you don't have to pay for shipping. And you don't have to wait for shipping either. You can get the merch the same day.
Wear it on the spot.
Yeah, and you can wear it on the spot. You guys better all take off your shirt in front of me.
Yeah, exactly.
And swap
take
it
off your shirt right there
and put my merch on. I want to see my merch all over Beamer Invasion tomorrow. Hope you guys liked the video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.